Want to predict next year's sales or forecast future trends using real data? With Excel's trend function, you can do that quickly and accurately. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to use the trend function in Excel to make smarter, data-driven decisions. Let's jump right in. Let's say we're tracking yearly sales for a small business. Here's our dataset. Now, we want to forecast sales for 2025 and 2026 based on the existing trend. Click on cell B7, where we'll predict the 2025 sales. Type $, then start typing trend. Once it appears, double-click on it to open the function. Known YS, the sales you already know. In our case, it's the sales figures from B2 to B6. Known XS, the corresponding years, A2 to A6. New XS, the future years you want to predict. Here, A7. Const, this is optional. Leave it blank or use true to calculate the intercept. Use false if you want the line to go through 0. Hit enter and drag it down to apply it for 2026. Excel fills both B7 and B8 with forecasted values. Not comfortable typing formulas? No problem. You can use the FX button. Select the cell B7. Now, click the FX button next to the formula bar. Search for trend. Select it and click OK. Fill in the dialog box. Click OK, and Excel will insert the forecasted value automatically. This method is great for beginners and lets you see each argument clearly. And that's how you forecast like a pro with the trend function in Excel. Like the video, share your favorite Excel tip in the comments, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more smart Excel tricks. See you in the next one.